Hey there and welcome. Today we're going to be reviewing the LOL Surprise Bath Set from Dollarama. If you're new to this channel, subscribe for all new videos. So let's get started and open this box. This item is great for kids and also adult kids because it's bubble bath and bath bombs, along with body wash and a scrubby puff. This item is great to give for birthdays, Christmases, Valentines, or just to have a fun night in the bath. As you can see, the box was actually quite colorful. So the first thing I'm going to pull out here is a small wash poof. Great to lather with in the bath. And it's tiny enough for kids' hands. Next we have two tiny hearts that are bath fizzers. They are both strawberry scented. I will show how this all performs at the end of the video. Next there is the LOL body wash. The scent of the body wash is grape. And is protected with a seal. This is what the product looks like inside. Next up, we have the LOL Bubble Bath. The bubble bath is cherry scented. And this is what the bubble bath looks like. Both of these items weren't very strong, but you can still smell the scents. So now let's go ahead and test out these bath fizzers. I wasn't sure if there was going to be something inside these bath bombs or not. As you can see, they don't float, they sink right to the bottom, leaving out bubbles and pink color. With touching the bath fizzer, it does not stain your hands. So that's nice. Now I'm going to add some bubble bath and see how the bubble bath performs. Not using the whole tube, but squeezing in a good amount. You can see it bubbles up quite nice, but I didn't find the bubbles lasted very long. So as we can't see these bath fizzers in the bottom of the tub anymore, I'm just going to go ahead and crush them up, seeing that there's nothing inside of these bath fizzers. I have another LOL bath bomb surprise coming soon. I will link it to this video once it's up. And in that video, there is a surprise in the bath bomb. So for this bath set, I give it a thumbs up. as it is still a really nice gift set. Again, great for kids or adult kids. So if you haven't subscribed yet, remember to subscribe and click the notification bell for all new videos. Thanks for watching.